I'm sure you've heard the news. CJ Dropshipping is a game changer for Shopify users. Let's get you started in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Install the CJ Dropshipping app. Head over to the Shopify App Store, search for CJ Dropshipping, and click Install. Don't forget to authorize the app to access your store. Step 2. Connect your CJ Dropshipping account. Once installed, connect your CJ Dropshipping account. You can sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Make sure to authorize it to access your data and products. Step 3. Authorize your Shopify store. Now authorize your store to allow automatic product importing, order syncing, and fulfillment. This way, the app can automatically bring products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Step 4. Start using the app. Browse products on the CJ Dropshipping platform and import them to your store. The app will sync orders and manage fulfillment, letting you focus on marketing and customer service. And there you have it. CJ Dropshipping on Shopify made easy.